How to make a paracord bracelet caged Solomon. So in the next few minutes of this tutorial you'll learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet. On the end of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you like it, subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new tutorial. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use these two separate pieces or strands of a black paracord 550, the same length, left and right black, and the gold paracord also 550. Credit for this awesome paracord project goes to our friend J.D. Lenzen over the T.I.A.T altogether, so make sure to check J.D.'s YouTube channel as well. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord watch strap or a watch band, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, I'm gonna pass aside one strand of a black, and then we're gonna join the gold and the black and proceed with the weaves. So now from here we're gonna insert it into the top side of a buckle. So take it and pass it from the top into the buckle. Pinch a bit this gold to the side. Now we're gonna pull it through this loop here, so from the top through the loop. So when we created our bracelet core, 4-strand core with 2 working ends, we're gonna take our feed and then we're gonna insert our other strand of a black through the core. So when we inserted our black into the core, we're gonna take the ends and we're gonna pull them together. So we'll find the center of our black cord and we'll have the equal length from the left and the right side. So as you can see, I'm gonna pull it. and here we have the same length. Now we're gonna start with our weaves or knots. So we're gonna take the gold paracord and we're gonna pass it on top of the bracelet core, and then we're gonna take the black and pass it on top of the gold under the bracelet core and to the left side through the loop. Now we're gonna take this right side black and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle, so in between these middle black cords, and we're gonna do the same with the left side, so from the back through the middle. We're gonna pull it all the way, and then we're gonna lock it with our cobra knot or Solomon, as you wish. Now we're gonna tie it. So now when we locked our first knot with the Solomon weave or cobra knot, we're gonna take our 2 strands of black and then we're gonna pass it around to this left side, and from the back side we're gonna pull it through the middle, so in between the middle black cords, and we're gonna rest it to the other side like this. Then we're gonna create another cobra knot or Solomon weave, so on top of the bracelet core goes the gold paracord, and then black on top of the gold, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Now pull it to make it very tight, cinch it, and then pull the ends of a black, so you'll have the even structure on each side. Now from here we're gonna take again our 2 black cords and we're gonna pass it around from the back through the middle again, and then through, and take the gold, place it on top of the core strands, black on top of the gold, around from the back through the loop on the left, the black cords around and from the back through the middle, gold on top of the core strands, black around the gold and to the back, from the back through the loop on the right side, and cinch it. And now here for this last knot, we're gonna insert our 2 strands of a black into this gold loop from the top. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of cord, melt it down, and we're finished with today's project. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new tutorial. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!